Hello friends, so this is the next part of the same series, uh, the classes. So now what I am going to do is, in the same example, now I'll create another method. So the difference between a normal method and a constructor is the constructor has no return type, okay, but a normal method will have a return type. So I'm creating a method add to with two integer parameters a and b, right? This is the body of the method. You see, public is the access specifier, void is the return type. That means you're not going to return anything from this method add to. It will add two integers. Okay, so I can say int c is equal to a plus b, and I'll say system dot out dot print line. I'm going to print the sum of the two numbers. That is, I'll say sum is plus c. Okay, now there are a couple of changes required to be done in the main method. That is, I have to create a handle for the object. That means now I am going to use a named object. Previously it was an anonymous object. I just created an object without a handle or a variable to hold the address or the reference of the object. Now CE is of the type class EX. The CE is the object. CE is object, right? So I have created an object and named it. Now I can call the method add to. See here, add to method is there. So I can call this method with two variables. Let me say, to be simple, 100 and 200. So two integer variables are being passed to the, okay, so this is the method call. So you can see that the method call is with reference to a dot and the object dot method name, passing the parameters 100 and 200, right? I'm going to run this program. You see, hello from default constructor. The moment the object is created, this part is executed, default constructor, and the sum is 300. Okay, right? So we could have done something else also. For example, I'll make it public int add to. Right now I'm going to return an integer from this method. So I'll say return c. I've added and returned c. Now over here I can say int d is equal to c dot add to. So now add to is a method which when called returns an integer. I have stored it in an integer. So method called returning a value. Now I will print it over here. System dot out dot print line. I'm going to print here that sum is d. Right? So now let me run this example. We should get an identical output, right? So this shows a method which has a return type integer. So with that we end. Thank you.